A motorist had a lucky escape when his car ploughed through a metal fence and came to rest just feet from a live electric railway line. The driver walked away unharmed, but it took recovery teams 6 hours to lift the electric 2-ton silver Volvo from out of harm's way. In the meantime, train services to Sheerness on the Isle of Sheppey continued to run as normal, although they passed just feet from the abandoned vehicle. Emergency services were called to Breel Way around 1:30 on Wednesday afternoon. Police set up a traffic control along the road, which is the main route to Sheerness docks. The first tow truck from Mansfield Recovery arrived at 6 o'clock but couldn't pull the car free because mechanics feared dragging the vehicle would damage the batteries beneath it. A second lorry, with a crane, from Woodlands Rescue was sent for, and the car eventually lifted clear just before 8 o'clock, following a full road closure and allowing Network Rail engineers to install a temporary fence. One of the recovery crew said the driver had been incredibly lucky and said that if the car had hit the live rail, it would have gone up in a ball of flames and its batteries would have exploded. A Network Rail employee said the vehicle ended up far enough from the railway line to allow trains to continue to run. A spokesman for British Transport Police said they were called to Breel Way at around 1:45 following reports that a car had gone through the fences alongside the railway line. They said officers attended alongside colleagues from Kent Fire and Rescue, and the vehicle was recovered from the side of the tracks. The driver had been checked over by paramedics.